In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a new product in AdLister. First, click on Products on the top menu and then go to Add Product, or just simply drop the Products menu down and click Add Product. You can type in the ID of an eBay category if you know it, or click Browse. However, you must pick a child category. eBay classes this as Leaf category. For example, Home, Furniture and DIY, then Home Decor, and then Candles and Tea Lights. You can only select Candles and Tea Lights. Next, if you have a barcode for your product, you can select the one that applies to you, such as EAN or UPC, and then input the actual value in the adjacent field. Also, you can choose a product type if you've already set one up, as this would save time on setting postage options, for example. Click Continue to get to the main product page. Next, you need to enter the title of your product. You can also add a subtitle to your product, but please remember that eBay charges for this. Then you can add an SKU for your product, which is an internal number that can help you identify your product more easily. Next, you can have up to 2 eBay categories assigned to your product, but eBay charges for the second category, so please bear this in mind when assigning the eBay categories to your product. Then select the shop categories where you want your product assigned to within your eBay shop. Next, you can enter your similar products keywords, which will define the products that will be displayed within your listings cross-selling widget. You can also enter your product barcode into this field, such as EAN or UPC, if you haven't set it up on the previous page. Next, you can choose the condition of the product, the quantity, and the VAT among others, but leave this blank if it's already specified in your listing template. Then you must select the Buy It Now price, or if it's an auction, then set the starting price and the reserve price. You can also specify a recommended retail price here. You can change your best offers settings here. Description is where you can type in information about your product. You can also use template tags here. eBay's description summary feature will complement your product descriptions and will only appear on eBay's mobile site and app. These summaries are limited to 800 characters, contain the relevant information for mobile shoppers, and are optimized to help surface your listings in search engines. To add images to your product, click Browse and select your desired image or images from your AdLister image folders. You can also input your own URLs here if your images are hosted somewhere else, such as PhotoBucket or your website. If you don't specify a product type, then you must configure your postage options. First, you can choose how to ship, for example, flat or courier. Then choose your desired service and set the price plus each additional if needed, or select free shipping. To apply the domestic rate shipping table, click More Info, as you'll have to go to eBay to configure this. International shipping is set up almost the same way, except you have another option for additional postal locations where the buyers contact for costs. You can also exclude postage locations here. Next is dispatch time. Keeping this value low will increase your rankings on eBay, but please ensure that if you offer this and you cannot adhere to it, then it will go against you. You can also navigate directly to certain sections on the page by using the shortcut buttons on the left. Then you can save and either do nothing or add variations and item specifics if you have any, or post your product to eBay. Thank you for your time. If you require further assistance, please visit our support section on www.adlister.co.uk.